So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of fail to open steamui.dll file. Now, in order to get that fix, just simply click on this option of Steam on the top left corner, then click on Settings. Inside the settings, you need to go to the option of storage right there. Then here, right next to the drive that you've selected, click on the three lines and click on Browse folder. Once you click over there, you'll find the window will open. Now come back to the Steam folder right there, and in here you'll find this option of package. Just simply delete all the files that are inside the package. Once you delete all the files and restart the Steam app, you'll find that the issue will definitely get solved for you. These are the temporary files that are stored against the Steam that are causing the error for you. You can just simply delete all of them and you'll get that your issue fixed for sure.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.